느껴져서 너무 친근해요.
Okay. So, ang first impression niya kay Mr. Ben Chan, parang napaka-strong ng kanyang personality, di ba? Ang mukha niya, is great man, a very kind man, at he was able to warm up to Mr. Ben Chan. Okay? At ganyan talaga ang personality niya. He's very friendly, he's very open. I can testify to that. Okay. Now let's move on to our next question. How will you market and advertise Bench to your fellow Koreans coming from Angeline Lee on Twitter? 벤치의 새로운 모델이 되셨는데요. 한국에 계신 팬들이나 친구들한테는 벤치에 대한 홍보를 어떻게 하실 예정이십니까?
짧고 간단하게 필리핀의 최고의 의류 브랜드.